Hello guys, today we are looking at factorizing. Factorizing means put into brackets. So let's start with first question. I'm going to break down this question into simplest form. 2a squared can be written as 2 times a plus a. Now I'm going to highlight anything common, a and a. The common bit goes outside the bracket and what's left over goes inside. 2a plus there's nothing left over here, which means 1. Let's try to do the second one. 8x cubed y squared. So 8 is broken down as 2 times 2 times 2 x cubed x times x y squared y times y. Take away 4. 2 times 2 x times x y cubed y times y times y. Now I'm going to highlight the common bits. 2, another 2, x, y, another y. Anything common goes outside the bracket. I got 2 times 2, which is 4, just 1x. I got 2 y's, so it is y squared outside the bracket. From my left side, I'm left with 2x and x, which means 2x squared minus, and only y from this end. So that's my factorizing done. Let's look at this question here. When you have a quadratic, you need to factorize that and put into brackets. So we'll end up with 2 brackets. The way we do it, we look at the last number, which is 36. We need to split 36 in such a way that when you multiply two numbers, it gives you 36. But at the same time, when you add or take away, it gets you minus 13. So let's find the factors of 36. 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 6 times 6, we can say 9 times 4 as well. So we'll select only those factors that get me 13. So you can't have 13 from the first one, so I'm going to reject that. If I add or take away, 12 and 3 will never give me 13, so I'm going to cancel that as well. 6 and 6 gives me 12 if I add them, but I don't need 12. So the last option is 9 and 4, and if I add them, I'll get 13. But I'm looking for negative 13. The only way I can get negative 13 if I had negative 9 and negative 4. Negative 9, negative 9 and negative 4 is negative 13. So my factors now, x, negative 9 and negative 4. Let's try to do this next question. So we'll end up with 2 brackets. I need to split 25. In such a way that when I add them, I get negative 10. 25. The factors of 25s are 5 and 5. And when you add them, you do get 10. But I'm looking for negative 10. That means I must have negative 5 and negative 5. Because negative 5 and negative 5 is negative 10. So my solution to this question is x take away 5, x take away 5. One more, 2 brackets x, I'm going to split negative 16. And I'm looking for 6. The factors of negative 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will never give me 6. I can get 6 out of it if I take them away. But keep an eye, I'm looking for a positive 6. The only way I can get positive 6 is if I had 8 take away 2. 8 take away 2 is 6. If I do take away 8 plus 2, that will give me negative 6, and I don't want that. So my answer now is negative 2 and positive 8.